everyone. Today we're going to unbox the GlossyBox Surprise Me Advent Calendar. GlossyBox has sent me the Advent Calendar for this year to share with you guys, and I am super excited because this is such a treat. Looking forward to it. But before we do it, let me tell you what a great deal this is. I am a member of GlossyBox. Every month I get a little box. Well, this special Advent Calendar, which I think would make a fantastic gift to anyone from a teenager to your mother-in-law, is only $99, and it has $550 in product in it. So the deal is just blows my mind. It's just amazing. Now, if you are a subscriber already, you get a $10 discount. I'm so excited, you have no idea. What I wanted to do is go over it with you. I know that many of you don't want me to spoil the surprise. I have put timestamps down below so you can just jump on to the area that you want, or you can just skip the whole opening up. Just know that it is a fantastic deal, and these boxes get sold out in October. So you might want to act fast. So excited I got this, you guys. It does ship to Canada, so if you were wondering, totally worth it. $89, $550 worth of merchandise. I want to open 2 boxes that will add up to $93. So if you go to day 8, so look at how beautiful this is. Take a look. Isn't that gorgeous? It says, unforgettable moments full of joy. And it has 4 little drawers with the little ribbon tab. And as you pull out the drawer, I'm going to pull out the whole one so you can see. It has several of the days, and they're not neatly organized on the day 1 through 25. They're just here and there, so you kind of have to hunt for it, which is part of the fun. Each one of these is individually packed. I'm on the hunt for number 8. Here it is. Number 8. It's this box right here. I'm going to pull out number 8. So if you do not want to know what's in these boxes, just say bye now, and I'll see you on my next video. But I just wanted to open 2 of these, and you will see that you're already getting your value right there. Number 8 is worth $58 right there. I think I would love to receive a little box with a $58 item inside of it. So if you have a friend, a coworker, somebody that does something for you or has worked with you on a project and you want to treat them, pull one of these boxes with an item that you think that they would appreciate it. I would still wrap it just for the joy of unwrapping something, but each one of them has this beautiful box. And as you open it, they have this black paper, confetti paper, and the item inside. This is Face and Rouge Wonder Love Clarity Skin Perfecting Serum Drops. Top tip, place 3 to 6 drops evenly on T-zone and massage with fingers. Follow with normal skincare routine. One product, $58. That's more than half what you're gonna pay for the entire box. The second item, okay, 21. It's a big box, and there's a reason for that. Multiple items in it. A Vitagrid C12 Dual Mask, brightening and luminous. It looks like it's from Korea. There you go. You have a mask that's worth $7, and the boosting facial water that is worth $35. You get this little booklet that has all of the items for you. It's a spoiler. If you want to, when you get the box, toss this or save it in a place where you're not going to look at it if you want to be surprised. How fun is this? So number 21, Vitabridge C12. Top tip: after cleansing, gently pat toner onto face and neck and follow with the sheet mask. The boosting water is $28 and the mask is $7. Plus the $58, that's $93. Boom. You've paid for the box if you are subscribed, and you're only a few dollars away if you're just paying it straight out. Guys, this is, again, they sell out in October, so move fast if you're interested. So yes, 2 items and your box is paid for. If you want to stick around, I'm going to just show you each one of the products. I will get them unwrapped and then just place them in front of you so you see what they are. Enjoy!
Thank you.